How to enable dark mode on Instagram. Welcome back. Today, we're going to show you how to enable dark mode on Instagram. Open your Instagram app. You are now at homepage. Tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner to go to your profile. Then, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Scroll down and tap Settings. On Settings menu, scroll down and you can see Dark Mode option. Go down. Select the option Dark Mode, and you will see three options right there. Turn on the dark mode. Select on. Dark mode was applied successfully to your Instagram account. Go back to homepage. You will see your Instagram in dark mode. You can also change the setting from dark to light whenever you want by repeating the same process. That's all from today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an upload.